Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to crochet in the third loop. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the half double crochet stitch. Be familiar with working in the front loops and be familiar with working in the back loops. I have videos on all of these and I will have them listed down below. So for my test swatch, I have used a mixture of regular half double crochet rows and half double crochets worked into the third loop on some rows. I will show you how I made this swatch once we get to the front. We're looking at the back of my swatch right now. Since I'm working with half double crochets, I started my row by making 2 chains on my hook. So now we're going to identify the third loop. So if you look at your work from the top, you can see the tops of these stitches. This loop, the loop that's facing away from you, is going to be the back loop, and the loop that is facing towards you is going to be the front loop. So now turn your work on the side that you would be working into, and the third loop is going to be this loop right here. So this loop up here is the front loop, and the loop right below it, this one right here, is the third loop. So you can see it across once you look at your work. It's going to be this loop right here. So once you identify that third loop, you're just going to be working regular half double crochets into that third loop. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So it's going to be this loop right here. Only working into that loop, just make a regular half double crochet. This loop right here, regular half double crochet. This loop right here, regular half double crochet. So again, you're looking at the top, the loop farthest away, back loop, this loop right here at the top, if you're looking at it, front loop. The loop right below it is going to be that third loop. And you would just repeat making half double crochets into that third loop for the rest of your row. And that's how that row of working into the third loop is looking. So this is how my test swatch looks. For the first row, I made all regular half double crochet. In my second row, I made half double crochet working into the third loop. My next row was regular half double crochet. Then my next row was half double crochet in the third loop. So I just alternated between making regular and working those half double crochet in the third loop for all of my rows. I wanted to give you guys this information in case you wanted to use this look for any project. And that is going to be how to crochet in the third loop. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.